In this video, we listed the 5 best treadmills under $500 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Egofit Walker Pro. The Egofit Walker Pro M1 is a compact walking treadmill designed for both home and office environments, characterized by its small size and compatibility with adjustable standing desks. Made from acrylonitrile butadiene styrene (ABS) material, it measures 38.39 inches in depth, 21.85 inches in width, and 6.89 inches in height, with a weight of 48.5 pounds. This treadmill operates at a maximum speed of 3.1 miles per hour and features a 2-horsepower motor. Its special 5% incline design enhances workout intensity without increasing speed or duration. Targeted at adults, it supports a maximum weight of 220 pounds and offers both remote and app controls for user convenience. Built with a durable steel structure, it aims to promote daily exercise and improve overall health with its ergonomic design. Number 2. XTERRA Fitness Treadmill. The XTERRA treadmill is a new, foldable fitness product designed for residential use, targeting adult users. It features a robust construction with dimensions of 63.4 inches in depth, 28.75 inches in width, and 51.4 inches in height, weighing 97 pounds. Made from alloy steel, it supports a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour and includes a large 16 inches by 50 inches walking, running surface suitable for various stride lengths. Powered by a 110V cord outlet, it incorporates an intuitive 5-inch LCD display that shows speed, incline, time, distance, calories, and pulse. The treadmill offers 12 preset programs and 3 manual incline settings, providing versatility for workouts. Its foldable design allows easy storage when not in use, making it convenient for home fitness enthusiasts seeking adaptable exercise options. Number 3. Schwinn 830 Treadmill. The Schwinn treadmill is designed for adult users seeking a versatile and portable exercise solution. With a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour and a powerful 2.75 horsepower motor, it supports a variety of workout intensities. Its notable features include a 12% motorized incline, a spacious 20-inch wide by 55-inch long running path, and a high-resolution LCD display for clear program viewing and goal tracking. The treadmill offers 22 preset exercise programs catering to different fitness goals such as manual, weight control, and interval workouts. It boasts a convenient soft-drop folding system for easy storage and movement, while requiring no assembly upon delivery. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill offers a robust exercise solution for residential use, featuring a powerful 2.20 peak HP drive system capable of speeds from 0.5 to 9 miles per hour. It includes 3 manual incline options for customizable workouts and ensures safety with an emergency stop brake. Constructed from durable alloy steel, it accommodates various users with stability, supported by a spacious running surface of 49-inch LX 15.5 W inches. Additional features like handrail controls, a digital monitor, and a soft drop system for easy storage enhance its convenience and usability in home fitness routines. Number 5. UREVO 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. The UREVO Foldy-1 treadmill is designed with convenience and performance in mind, featuring a compact and foldable design ideal for home use. It boasts a spacious 16.5-inch x 45.7-foot running surface, providing ample room for comfortable running and walking workouts. With a powerful 2.5 peak HP motor capable of speeds up to 7.5 miles per hour and a sturdy build supporting up to 260 pounds, it ensures stable operation and includes features like an anti-slip, cushion belt for joint support. The treadmill comes equipped with 12 preset HIIT training programs aimed at enhancing cardiovascular fitness and burning calories efficiently. A clear LCD display shows real-time workout data such as distance, duration, pace, and calories burned, while the machine's foldable nature allows for easy storage, making it a practical choice for adult users seeking a versatile and effective fitness solution at home.